Welcome to Berger and Blessing Pressure Washing, LLC. Berger and Blessing Pressure Washing, LLC is a pressure washing service located in Linganore-Bartonsville, Maryland, U.S. We offer cleaning solutions for a variety of surfaces, including homes, decks, and driveways. We're using eco-friendly solutions and cutting-edge equipment. We ensure every inch is spotless without compromising the environment. Trust us for a deep clean that stands out and a service experience that's second to none. Our commitment is to deliver excellent results with attentive service for every client. Contact us to discuss your pressure washing needs.